My scag turf tiger will not charge the battery. Sometimes the fuse blows but the battery is weak and the gauge shows that it is discharging when running.
Hey there, I will do my very best, XXXXX you the answer to your question. I see that where JustAnswer asked you what you have tried, stated you replace the battery, replace the fuse and replace the regulator and that the fuse blows. Is that right? Do you have a digital multimeter in case we need to do some testing? I also need the model number of the engine on your mower. Can you provide that to me? Thanks, Richard.
I don't have a tester right now. The battery showed 10 volts on Friday. I replaced the fuse before replacing the regulator. The problem continues.
Sue. Let me look your mower over. Can you provide me with the engine numbers? I need the model numbers to be specifi with you. Thanks, Richard.
I have not been able to find any numbers on it. It is a Kawasaki DFI but it was added to an older scag.
Sure, you might have the FD791D Kawasaki engine. The battery must be tested first. The regulated voltage should be inspected. 15 volts. The stator coil resistance has to be checked. This is the resistance from the 2 stator wires going to stator. It must match the resistance specs in manual. Continuity from each stator pin should show infinity resistance. This will verify if the stator is shorted to ground, then you do a AC voltage inspection of the stator. If those tests fail, the stator has to be replaced. If those tests pass, then the wiring has to be checked going to battery, which is the charging wire. If you have blown fuses, the charging wire could be shorted to ground. If all the above tests pass, then the flywheel must be replaced. Even though the regulator is new, it shall be checked as well. The manual is showing it can be checked on the particular model I am looking at. Since everything is new, battery, regulator and the fuse is there. Then the possibilité are the stator, wiring and or flywheel are faulty. Once you know the engine you have, I can post the test that needs to be performed. That is where you stand with this one, and what needs to be checked. Obviously I am not there to do this work for you. But I do want to make sure you are happy with me and the answers I give you here before doing the rating. If you have a further question on this, by all means feel free to fire away. If not, please let me know if the ratings box gives you any troubles. One more thing. The ignition switch has to be tested. Thanks in advance, and good luck. Richard 41476.0410950347.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.